Hello boys and girls, welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today I will be showing you how you can connect your PS4 controller to your iPhone or iPad wirelessly. Okay, let's get started. First of all, open Cydia. If you see here, the normal version of controllers for all is paid, but there is a workaround with this. To do the workaround, you just need to add the new repo to Cydia. To do that, you need to go to sources and press edit, then press add, and then type in the repo as shown on the screen, and then press on add source when you're done typing. After the repo is added, you just need to refresh all your repos. To do that, you just press refresh, and then you need to wait about 5 to 20 seconds. After that, you should have all the repos refreshed, and now you can install the tweak for free. Now you just can go back to the search bar and search for controllers for all. Click on the top one and press install in the right corner and then confirm. After you have installed the tweak, you just need to do a fast respring. Just press on the respring button. When you are back in your device, open settings. Scroll down to the bottom. Press tweaks and open controllers for all. Press on the controller's type and select PS4 controller. After that, press pair controller. Now just follow the text on the screen and as shown in the video. The PS4 controller will automatically connect. After that, you just need to press enable on the controllers for all that. Now I will show you a demonstration on how it works. Press the PS button when the game tells you.
Take that. God damn. Tough bastard.
If this video helped you, please consider to drop a like and please subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.